Hello friends. In this video I will talk about the Android 10 update of Galaxy A series. So let's watch.
And friends, before starting the video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos and PUBG Mobile latest hacks.
So friends, Samsung is now rolling out the Android 10 update to more of its A series device. This time the Galaxy A70 and Galaxy A70s getting this update. The update for Galaxy A70 is live in Ukraine, while for Galaxy A70s, the update is live in India. Both of these devices were launched with Android Pie and One UI 1.0 and now both getting the latest Android version, Android 10 with same One UI version which is One UI 2.0. The update file for both devices size is round about 2.1 GB. Also the update includes February security patch. After updating to One UI 2, we will got lots of new features like built-in screen recorder, new dark mode and much more. You can download the update through FOTA by going to software update menu in settings. Otherwise, you can also update your phone by flashing the Android 10 firmware. So friends, this is the latest news regarding Galaxy A70 and Galaxy A70s. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel if you like my work. Peace out.